Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am enjoying a nice cup of decaf because it is currently almost 8 o'clock at night. But while I have the house to myself and it is quiet, I thought this is the perfect time to film my, what do you think? I mean, you probably already know. It's in the title. My Ipsy unboxing. I don't know how many of you were around when I used to film Boxycharm unboxings. That was a very committed video that I did every single time I got my Boxycharm box. I really loved it. It was something that I looked forward to doing. I was looking forward to receiving it as well, and it was just nice. And so I took a break mainly because I was just accumulating way too many things. I have a lot of makeup. I also had a lot of skincare, and I just felt like it was becoming overwhelming. And 5 full-size products every single month adds up. So if you have no collection and you want to build one, I do recommend Boxycharm or Ipsy Boxycharm. It still has like Boxycharm on the box. I think Ipsy bought them out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what happened. But when I was ordering Boxycharm in 2022, it was just Boxycharm. And then I believe probably a month or two after I stopped is when they joined with Ipsy. So it's not like a collab or anything. It's just 2 companies, I think, joining together. We're in January of 2024 and I am back. I do plan on keeping my subscription for this year. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what kind of products I get. I will say that the one thing I missed about Boxycharm was the Mega Drop and like all those like shops that you can get, like take advantage of the sales on their website. Like they have such good sales. So believe me when I tell you that the moment I signed up, not only did I make sure that my profile was up to date, because you can customize your profile to make sure that you're getting products curated to you. You can choose now 3 of your products instead of just 1. So that is a nice upgrade from it just being Boxycharm. You now get to choose 3 products and then they will pick out the other 2. You do also get to see all the products you're going to get before getting your box. So if you want to keep it a surprise, just don't open up your email. But if you are very curious and you do not want to wait, you can check it out before you even get your box. I, of course, took advantage of the Mega Drop sales and all of that, like all the shops. I took advantage. So not only do we have a Ipsy unboxing, but we also have a Ipsy Boxycharm Mega Shop, whatever you want to call it, haul. So let's get into it. Like always, I will link their website down below. All right. So for January, because I signed up and decided to sign up and made the decision to sign up later, so I did not get to choose my 3 picks for January, but I'm very excited to choose them for February. So everything I got in the box is what Ipsy/Boxycharm chose for me. So one of the products that I'm excited about is the Feel Squalene Facial Oil. Yeah, so it's on the website, I'm guessing, to see how much your items cost. I'm very excited about this product. This is the Feel Squalene Facial Oil. I am in need of hydration. It's kind of weird. I feel like I'm dry, but yeah, I'm oily, so combination. But it's just the weirdest thing. Like, I need hydration, but then throughout the day, I'm like really oily. I love a facial oil because even if I'm oily, you still need to hydrate, because if not, you're gonna produce more oils. So, Squalene Facial Oil. I love facial oils. I just feel like it really locks in the hydration, so I'm excited. So this is the Ultra Signature Palette Luxe. And I am kind of sad because one of the shadows did break, and I felt like I almost knew immediately that an eyeshadow broke because there was eyeshadow everywhere. So this is currently what this eyeshadow palette is looking like. The color that broke is such a pretty color too, but I might just end up getting rid of it. I don't know, guys. I don't want to tell it too much, but this is what the palette is looking like. This shade right here is just a shade that I would probably rock every single day. I'm sad that that was the one that broke out of all of them, but it is what it is. So, I mean, that was just a shipping and handling thing. But yeah, I'm so excited. I don't really rock eyeshadow as much anymore. So I am hoping that they cut back a bit on the eyeshadow, knowing that a lot of people just don't wear eyeshadow palettes anymore. My eyeshadow palette collection grew so big with Boxycharm in 2022 because I had Boxycharm for a couple years. But I gave a lot away because I was like, I have 2 eyelids. I can never go through this much eyeshadow. I got the LYS mascara, which this I was excited for because I love LYS. Like I have so many. I did a full face of LYS, you know, a little while back. I have that video somewhere on my channel. But they came out with the mascara a little later and I haven't tried it yet. So again, it's their normal triangle packaging. Oh, I love this packaging. It's just so cute and different. And I cannot wait to try this mascara. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like curved. So I'm excited to try this out very soon because I opened it already, so I have to. I got a lip liner. So this is from Context Dual Lip Liner. Basically 2 lip liners in one. So you get a darker and a lighter shade, so that's nice for like shading your lips. So the darker shade is in the shade Locked In, and then the lighter one is in the shade Forever Free. So I'm really excited to try this out. Can you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can tell. I can't tell if I'm focusing or not. And then the lighter shade is similar, but again, it's just a bit lighter. So very excited to try this and add this to my collection. I decluttered so many lip liners, and I do have quite a bit of lip liners still in my collection, but I decluttered like probably half, if not more. So I'm excited to rebuild. Last but not least, brushes. I know some things that people, I know one thing that people complain about a lot is getting so many brushes. But yeah, so I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to keep these brushes or pass them on. I decluttered probably, I want to say a good 75% of my brushes. I am so happy with where I am right now because I still have enough, you know, to like, if I want to do different looks and stuff like that, like I have enough, but it's not an overwhelming amount because I just had way too many brushes. So I might look at these brushes and maybe keep 1 or 2, get rid of the others, or maybe just get rid of the whole entire package. I'm not sure. But these are the brushes that came with this box. And that is everything. Now, I will say that this box is way bigger than the Boxycharm box. Like the Boxycharm box was way smaller. And so I feel like because it's way bigger, there's a lot more like moving around in here. And there was like, you know, some more, I feel like there was some more packaging, like bubble wrap or something. Like this is still in here, but I don't know. I just feel like there's a lot of space for products to be moving around. So I feel like, you know, eyeshadow palettes might be more a high risk of breaking, but I don't know. I just feel like this box is humongous. It's like almost like a shoebox, like the size of a shoebox. Like it's literally huge. And like if you compare it to the box that I got with tons and tons and tons of product, it's not that much smaller. So for this big of a box for 5 products, I'm just like, dude, can we make it a little bit smaller? Right now, that's my only complaint is can we make the box a little bit smaller? Because when I saw this box at my door, I literally thought it was this order. I didn't think it was the actual Boxycharm box because I'm like, this is a huge box. But anywho, now for what I ordered. If you order add-ons, that will come with your Boxycharm box. This was like their mega shop drop or whatever. So this was separate. So this will come separate. But if you do add-ons at the time of your Boxycharm, those products will actually come with your box and not separate. So that's nice. I did already go through these products. My daughter was very excited to see what I ordered. Something that I'm very excited about is the Iconic London Lasting Impression. This is literally like so cute. So you get quite a few products plus an actual cute makeup bag. Like this makeup bag is so freaking cute for traveling. Like I'm so excited. You get 2 departments. So like for me, I'll probably put 1 department for brushes, the other department for makeup. The products are in the top part of the bag. And then you get a nice bottom part too. So I'm just so excited to use this for traveling. Me and my husband are already thinking about where we want to go for vacation this year. So with this Iconic London purchase, you get the Iconic London Highlights and Blush Duo Brush, which I am very excited for. This is what the brush part looks like, and then the highlighter. So I'm really excited for that. A full size of the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. So I actually just got a mini in my Sephora fresh face kit. That was the first time I ever tried it, and I actually love it. So the fact that I have a full size now is so good. This is so cute. You get a little mini illuminator. Oh, it's so tiny, but this is gonna last me a long time because I don't use liquid and cream highlighters all that much. So this is still gonna last me a really long time. And I don't know what shade this one's in, but it's so cute. It just says original, so I'm guessing the original shade, but it's so cute. This is the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara in the shade Black. Oh, I kind of want to open it, but I kind of don't want to open it. I'm not going to open it because I don't know if I'm going to use it right away, so we're going to keep it closed. And then this is the Light and Glow Duo. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, so you get 2 highlighters, so this will be nice for summer and winter. So cute. Never tried this before. The Glaze Crayon in Champagne. So this is like an eye crayon that comes with glitter. So you have the little champagne eye pencil, and then the little gel glitter as well. So I am very excited to play with this. I've never tried that before either. Oh my god, literally, I get so happy with new makeup, guys. You don't understand. It just literally makes me so happy. So this is so cute. I'm so excited. This is from Complex Culture, and it is the Dry Revive Nourishing Oat Milk Hair Mask. So this is another thing that I like to stock up on with Boxycharm, is not only their skincare, but their hair care as well. So I'm very excited. This is the Zoe Ayla Beauty Sponges. So this is like a little duo. So do you know like how you can tell, you know, when you feel a sponge, even when it's dry, you can still tell like, yeah, I'm probably not gonna like it. I don't know. I wanted just a simple sponge like this, like a typical like beauty blender like shape, but it doesn't feel, kind of has that Morphe, like you ever try the red sponge from Morphe? I'm guessing all their sponges are the same, but I don't like that thick foamy feel. But now I got 2 of those, so we'll see. We'll wet them and see how they apply the makeup. But I needed sponges, so I saw this for like $3 I think, and just threw it in my cart. So you know, we'll see. This was like a steal. I think this was like $8, I think, or $10. I don't really remember, but it was a steal. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer. Now, I don't know, is the original one this small? Like, I don't mind the size. And for what I paid for, you know what I mean? Like, I don't mind. But, I don't know, I feel like the original is bigger. But maybe it's not. Maybe this is the original size. This is, I can always look on Sephora too, but this is 30 grams, 1 ounce. So it's plenty of product. I'm not complaining. I just, for some reason, thought it would be bigger. Maybe I'm thinking of another cream bronzer, but this is what it looks like. Do I need another cream bronzer? No, but again, for like $8-10, drugstore price, Anastasia Beverly Hills cream bronzer. Of course I bought it. And this is in a shade Golden Tan, so I'm excited to try this. This is from Ole Henriksen, Truth Brighten and Revive, the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Yay. I actually am in need of a cleanser. I'm running out of my Juice Beauty cleanser, so right now I'm using an e.l.f. one, which is not quite my favorite, so that's going to probably be my like shower cleanser, because I'm out of a shower facial cleanser as well, because I always keep one in the shower and one at the sink. The one at the sink is like the one I'm loving, the one I want to use every morning. The one in the shower, if I buy a cleanser and I'm not a fan of it, it usually goes in my shower. So if there's ever a moment where like I still need to wash my face, but I have to take a shower, I will just wash my face in the shower. So I will use that cleanser. So I'm almost out of my everyday cleanser, so I'm excited to try this one. And it's high end, it's not a drugstore one. I'm so excited. This is a very small blush, but my daughter saw it and said, it's for me. And I'm like, no, it's not. This is the Violet Voss blush in the shade Peachy Perfect. I don't know. I love peachy blushes, and I've just been in like the mood for a good peachy blush. When I ordered the Tarte one, the Amazonian clay one, that I thought I was getting this type of blush, like this type of color, but it came a little different, which I'm fine with. It's fine, but I still wanted a nice peachy blush, so I'm excited. It's smaller, but again, I don't need anything really huge because, you know, what's the point? I have so much makeup, but oh my god, look at that peach. It just looks so good. This is from NARS. It's the Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Dragon Girl. I don't know who I saw use this, and I was like, wow, I need that. And then I never bought it. And then when I saw that Boxycharm had it for like, I don't know, $5, I was like, yeah, add to cart. Again, $5, $8, I don't remember, but so good. And so this is like their, what is it called? Yeah, their Air Matte Lip color. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like, the type of wand. I'm very excited to try this out. From One Size, I got the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil in the shade Dark Brown 06. I haven't tried any brow products from One Size, so it's a nice slick pencil, nice round shape. Here lately, every time I buy brow pencils, they come in weird shapes, and then you have your spoolie. So I'm excited about that. I can never have too many eyebrow pencils because I go through them literally like crazy. Last but not least, I got the KVD Good Apple Concealer. I've been wanting to try this concealer for a while, but I just was not, I guess, that interested that I want to pay full price. But again, when I saw it on Boxycharm, I was like, yes, add that to cart. I got mine in the shade Light 111 because I've been liking a little bit of a lighter under eye. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm very excited to try this out for myself. Oh my god, the applicator is so different. So looking forward to doing my makeup tomorrow. That is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Mwah. Bye.